So I'm trying out driving my Xc90 today after the snow, and I was like surprised that the ABS went off. It's funny because the light went off when I was like about to take off, like on the in the road in my house, in front of my house, where it's actually inclined. So I'm actually testing now if the all-wheel drive works, but the snow is actually like really not that bad. I mean, it's gone. They're predicting like 6 to 8 inches, but I don't know. I think we only got like around 2 inches, and then later today, yeah, the snow plows came in and cleaned roads. So I'm not able to like really test it very well. But yeah, I was surprised that the ABS light turned off. I just heard like a sudden jolt in front of the wheels. Maybe that's what it needs. Maybe the motor kicked in. I don't know. Maybe it's the cold. The electrical there probably worked. So kind of a surprise though. It's doing that. But yeah, the roads are clean now, so it's actually late for me to really test drive the all-wheel drive on this one. But yeah, I mean, it's so far the transmission is behaving well. Temperature right now is 20 degrees. I think it's lower. I just don't believe this temperature in the dash of times, because they're either way too high or either way too low. But actually the temperature right now is 18 degrees. It's kind of windy a little bit, so it could be around like maybe 10, 11. Oh, this is weird. No ABS light. So I don't know if it's a fluke or what. I don't know what I did to make it disappear. It just disappeared. And the transmission is also behaving. Yeah, this one is a slippery one, but yep, I don't feel any sliding sensation though. I suspect that whine is from the power steering pump, so I'll probably have to take a look at it. Or maybe the Volvo probably likes this weather, this kind of weather, so yeah, that it's behaving well. This is funny. The only thing that I'm not liking it compared to my 3.2 is that the remote start. There's no remote start on this. Yep, it's not sliding. Trying to put the other side of the wheel. Oh, okay. So, yep, ABS kicked in. So it's actually a fluke. So this is going back home. ABS was actually a fluke. So there's actually a problem there. Actually handled pretty well. I don't think ABS. I think the all-wheel drive doesn't really work well if ABS is not there. You'll probably, I don't know if it will kick in, but yeah. Yeah, unfortunately it's not that slippery really, so there's snow, but I need to have like something like a really heavy snow to test this out. And the blower fan is making a chirping sound. I think it's the back